Hello everyone. Penicillium. This presentation is made by a student and Penicillium is a fungus. This presentation made by Gamit Hetli. You can see the figure in your screen. Penicillium. Occurrence, classification, thallus, cell structure, reproduction, vegetative, asexual and sexual. These all topics will cover in this presentation. Occurrence, Penicillium found in soil, decaying vegetation, air, and are common contaminants on various substances. Penicillium cause food spoilage, colonize leather objects. They are saprophytes on decaying fruits and vegetables. Classification, kingdom fungi, phylum Ascomycota, class Euscomycetes, order Urushiels, family Trichomaceae, genus Penicillium. Vegetative structure of Penicillium. The vegetative body is mycelial. The mycelium is profusely branched with septate hyphae, composed of thin-walled cells containing one to many nuclei. Each septum has a central pore through which cytoplasmic continuity is maintained. The reserve food is present in the form of oil globules. In this structure, you can see colony, mycelium of Penicillium, and an enlarged view. Cell structure, hyphae is septate, cell is uninucleate. This cell wall is microfibrillar, and in Penicillium notatum, it is of 3 layers. The outer layer is made up of glucan, next layer is made up of proteins, and the third layer it is made up of chitin, fibrils, embedded in granular matrix. The innermost layer is made up of pectic and hemicellulose. The plasma membrane surrounds the cytoplasm that contain organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, and endoplasmic reticulum in embedded form. The reserve food is in forms of oil globules. The adjacent cells are connected by a pore present in septa of their walls. So this is cell structure. Penicillium reproduces by vegetative, asexual and sexual means. Vegetative reproduction, it is by fragmentation, and each of the fragments develop separately, making a complete mycelium. Asexual reproduction, conidiophores may be unbranched or branched and differentiate into medullae. Number of flask-shaped phyllite cells develop at the end of each medullae, which form conidia. Phyllite cells divide mitotically, forming a conidium. These cells again divide, pushing the first conidium towards outside, and the second conidium is formed. This process repeats and resulting in a chain of conidia found in a basipetal succession. The conidia may be blue, green or yellow in color and oval or elliptical in shape. Conidia get detached from the parent after maturation and dispersed by the wind. They get attached to a suitable substratum and germinate. Germination by germ tube formation. The nucleus divides mitotically multiple times. All the nuclei enter the germ tube and followed by the elongation and formation of septa to give rise to a mature and branched mycelium. Asexual reproduction. Next is sexual. By means of ascospores, the ascospores are released by the dissolution of ascus and elastothecium wall. The ascospore germinates on a suitable substratum by developing germ tube and ultimately into a mycelium like the mother. Life cycle of Penicillium. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Penicillium. This presentation